Ohm's law is a formula that states that the current in a circuit is directly proportional to the voltage across the circuit. It is extremely important for understanding the relationship between current, voltage, and resistance. For example, if we have a 9-volt battery connected over a 1 kilo ohm resistor, the current through that resistor equals 9 divided by 1000, which is 9 milliamperes. An easy way to remember Ohm's law is to draw a triangle divided into one top segment and two bottom segments. Write V in the top segment, I in the bottom left, and R in the bottom segments. If you want to calculate the top value, voltage, multiply the bottom values, current and resistance, by each other. If you want to calculate one of the bottom values, current or resistance, divide the top value, voltage, by the other bottom value. Here is an example of a circuit with a 150 ohm resistor and a 150 ohm lamp. When we connect a 9-volt battery, we can calculate the current to be 30 milliamperes. If we instead connect a 1.5-volt battery, the current is 5 milliamperes. Notice how the current decreased when we decreased the voltage, just as Ohm's law predicts.
Need more help? Shop our books around the clock and subscribe to our channel to stay ahead.